Amazon just made a move that could seriously shake up the AI world, and yes, it's big enough to challenge both OpenAI and Microsoft. It's called Nova Act, and it's not just another chatbot or language model. This toolkit lets developers build autonomous AI agents that don't just talk, they act. They can click, navigate, extract data, and automate tasks across the web with surprising accuracy. In today's video, we'll break down how Nova Act works, how it stacks up against OpenAI's Agents SDK and Microsoft's AutoGen, and why this could be Amazon's most disruptive AI release yet. Plus, stick around to the end to see how this fits into Amazon's long-term strategy to dominate the agent layer of AI computing. So what exactly is Nova Act? At its core, it's a developer SDK designed to build AI agents that execute digital tasks, especially browser-based ones, using a structured modular approach. Unlike many LLM-driven agents that try to process an entire task in one go, Nova Act breaks tasks into smaller atomic steps and executes them one at a time through explicit ACT calls. This isn't just a technical decision, it's a direct response to the issues many AI agents face today. Current agents often struggle with complex workflows, especially when tasks require multiple steps. These agents can fail silently or behave unpredictably. Nova Act aims to solve this by deconstructing tasks like booking a hotel room into verifiable steps. For example, instead of asking an AI to book a hotel room for next weekend, Nova Act breaks it down to navigate to the site, select location and dates, fill in the form, confirm the booking. Each step is executed separately, with checks and balances at every stage, making the process more predictable and reliable. Now let's talk about some of the killer features of Nova Act. While many platforms offer agent tools, Nova Act stands out for its tight integration and fine-grained task decomposition. Here's how. Task decomposition. Instead of relying on AI to figure out complex flows, developers define clear steps. Each one is executed separately, with transparency and error handling at every point. This is key for developers who need predictability in their automated workflows. Playwright integration. Nova Act integrates seamlessly with Playwright, a browser automation framework developed by Microsoft. This means agents can interact with web elements like buttons, fields, and drop-downs without guessing. This level of control is crucial for tasks that involve sensitive data like passwords or credit card numbers. Nova Act only interacts with web elements, leaving secure data entry to Playwright. Python interoperability. Nova Act also allows developers to mix natural language logic with native Python code. You can use breakpoints, assertions, multi-threading, and other standard programming constructs to control agent behavior more precisely. Structured data extraction. Nova Act supports Pythonic schemas for extracting structured data, like scraping web content and converting it into machine-readable formats, such as JSON or tables. Now, let's take a look at some real-world examples of what Nova Act can do. These aren't just technical demos. They're practical solutions for everyday tasks. Automated apartment search. Nova Act can scrape apartment listings, calculate biking distances to nearby train stations, and organize the results into a structured table. Automated salad order. Imagine this. Every Tuesday, an AI agent logs into Sweetgreen, places a recurring salad order for you, and you don't have to lift a finger. All hands-free and scheduled. This is the kind of reliable, repeatable automation Nova Act enables. These examples show how Nova Act empowers developers to automate real-world tasks in a way that's both consistent and hands-off. This is huge for e-commerce, business operations, and any industry that requires repeatable, predictable workflows. The AI agent race is heating up, and the biggest names, OpenAI, Microsoft, and Salesforce, are all offering their own frameworks. But here's where Nova Act stands out. OpenAI's Agents SDK. While OpenAI offers a flexible agent framework that lets developers use its models to build autonomous agents, it relies heavily on models interpreting complex instructions. This can cause issues, especially when dealing with sensitive workflows like secure form fillings. Microsoft's Autogen, part of Microsoft's robotic process automation (RPA) tools, lets agents collaborate to complete tasks. However, it's model agnostic, which means developers have to choose the right model and agent combination, leading to inconsistent results when interacting with complex UIs. Salesforce's Salesforce, offers a tool for automating CRM tasks within its ecosystem. While it's useful for sales support and marketing workflows, it's narrower in scope, focusing primarily on Salesforce tools. Now, NovaAct, on the other hand, works only with Amazon's proprietary Nova model, but that tight coupling allows for greater control over execution, making it much more reliable when performing browser interactions. Playwright integration adds further strength to NovaAct's ability to handle sensitive tasks securely. One of the most interesting aspects of NovaAct is its closed-loop model. While the SDK itself is open source, the underlying Nova model that powers it is proprietary. This gives Amazon more control over the execution of tasks, ensuring better alignment between developer intent and the agent's behavior. By focusing on predictability, safety, and reliability, Amazon has crafted a tool that addresses a huge gap in the market, especially for high-stakes workflows. This closed-loop system may limit some experimentation, but it strengthens consistency, which is crucial for real-world applications. In fields where a single mistake can cost thousands, that reliability is priceless. So what's next for developers? Right now, NovaAct is available as a free research preview, and there's no pricing for production use yet. It's not tied exclusively to AWS, so developers have the flexibility to use it in any cloud environment. This move signals Amazon's intent to dominate the agent execution layer of the web, focusing not just on conversation, but on agents that can do. The future of AI isn't just about chatbots. It's about task-driven agents that can automate, secure, and streamline real-world workflows. What do you think of Amazon's move? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI news.